Have you ever seen an influencer online and wondered if they're even real? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own realistic AI influencer from scratch using Whisk AI and ChatGPT. The results are so good, you'll hardly believe they're AI generated. We're starting with ChatGPT. First, ask ChatGPT to create a realistic AI influencer for you. Be specific. Include their age, personality, even their name if you want. ChatGPT will then generate a portfolio or character profile for your influencer.
Once you're happy with the portfolio, ask ChatGPT to give you a detailed prompt of how your influencer should look. This prompt is what we'll use to generate the images. Now let's head to Whisk AI. Log in with your Gmail to get started. Once you're in, click on Enter Tool, then select your image ratio. You can choose 1:1, 9:16, or 16:9, depending on what you need. For social media, 9:16 usually works best. Paste in the prompt we got from ChatGPT and click Generate. Look at this! Absolutely beautiful, unique, and realistic. This doesn't look like an AI render. It looks like a professional influencer photo. Here's something powerful. Click here to lock your character's face. You'll see a seed number pop up. Copy and save this number because it ensures your influencer looks the same in every photo. Consistency is key if you want your influencer to have a recognizable brand image. Copy those outfit prompts, paste them into Whisk AI, and generate again. Just make sure to use the same seed number to keep the face consistent. And that's it. You'll get your influencer styled in different outfits, in different locations, but with the exact same face. I've created almost 100 images of my AI influencer using this method. All consistent, all professional, and all realistic.
Whisk AI makes it easy to scale content and create a strong visual brand for your digital persona. So, that's how you create your very own AI influencer from scratch. No clickbait, just real results. This is only the beginning. I'll be sharing more tutorials on how to take your AI influencer even further, including video content and brand strategies. So if you found this useful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.